Across different industries, material towing needs are different. There is no single solution that works for every factory or application. In previous projects, LOGIANT successfully deployed 5-ton driverless traction robots many times, proven in demanding heavy-load applications. In the latest high-speed railway project, the customer selected 3-ton driverless traction robots to handle multi-route transport of high-speed railway components, deploying 6 robots for different production lines for various train models. Look, it is transporting our high-speed railway materials. Whether 3 tons or 5 tons, LOGIANT's driverless traction robots operate reliably across both indoor and outdoor environments, supporting all-weather operation and maintaining stable performance even during winter low-temperature conditions. Today, LOGIANT offers a complete driverless traction robot portfolio, delivering truly scalable indoor-outdoor intelligent driverless traction solutions for automotive manufacturing.